Good morning, standard 9 students. Question number 3. A sum of money is lent at 8% per annum compound interest. If the interest for the second year exceeds that for the first year by rupees 96, find the sum of the money. This type of question, when nothing is given over the principal, either you can suppose 100 or we can suppose x. But make sure when we suppose 100, then the question will finally converted into unitary method. When we suppose x, then you have to find the difference and then you have to simplify. So here we are going to suppose question number 3, exercise 2b. Let principal be rupees 100. Now 8% per annum given. So interest of the first year 100 principal taken, 8% rate times 1 by 100 cancel, that is rupees 8. So what is the amount of the first year? So 100 plus 8, that is 108. Now amount of the second year, I took 108, rate given 8% into 1 by 100. Wait, 8 is 64, 864 by 100. This is the interest for the second year. Now the difference in the interest. First year interest is rupees 8, second year interest is rupees 864 by 100. So what is the difference? So difference is 864 by 100 minus 8, that is equal to 864 minus 800 by 100, that is 64 by 100. Now, so 2 year interest difference we have 64 by 100. Now we have to find the principal. Principal we have supposed rupees 100. So when we suppose 100, finally the question will come into unitary method. Now solve. When interest is CI is 64 by 100, principal is rupees 100. So in 100 by 64 by 100, that is 100 into 100 by 64. Now how much principal given? When principal. So when difference is given 96, it is given in the question. What is the principal? So 100 into 100 by 64 into 96. So 16, 6 ja, 16, 4 ja, 25, 4 ja, 100. So what value? 6 5 ja 30, 6 2 ja 12, 3 50. This much is the amount. 50,000 is the principal. Right? A man borrows 6,000 at 5% compound interest per annum. He repaid 1,200 at the end of each year. Every year he returned 1,200 from the amount. Then after returning 1,200, how much amount is left? That will be the principal for the next year. Beginning of the third year we have to find. So first year interest 6,000 into 5 into 1 by 100, 300. So amount of the first year 6,300. This amount 6,300 into 5 into 1 by 100, 190, sorry, 5 3 are 50 and 5 6 are 30 and 1 31, 350. So what is the amount of the 30th? Now wait, what is given in the question? From the first year amount he returned 1200 rupees. So money left after returning 1200, 6300 minus 1200. How much it is? 5100 rupees left. This will become principal for the next year. 51. So I do 5100 into 5 into 1 by 100 cancel, that is 5 is 25. So what is the amount of the second year? So 5100 plus 255. So 5535. This was the amount for the second year. From this amount again 1200 rupees returned. So money left after returning 1200, 5355 minus 1200, that is equal to 5. This much amount is left, money is left. Wait. How much left? 5355. Money left after returning 1200, that is 5514. This much amount is left after returning 1200 from the second year, and this amount becomes principal for the next year, the beginning of the third year. So this is the amount beginning of the third year for the principal. This is the, and this will be the principal for the third year. Now again, this question, depreciate means decreasing. Every year 10% is decreasing. Hey, every year, first year also 10% decreasing, second year also 10% decreasing, and second year depreciate value is given. Then we have to find the principal sum. Here also principal is not given, so we will suppose let principal be ₹100. So first year, how much decrease? First year 10% of 100, that is equal to ₹10. So decrease 100 minus 10, that is ₹90. Again 10% decrease in 90. 10% of ₹90, that is ₹9. Second year also 10% decrease on the value. So after first year decreasing 10%, how much left? 90. From 90 again 10% decrease in next year, that is coming 9. Now we have to solve by unity method. But when decrease is ₹9, original principal ₹100. So by unity method we have to solve. When ₹1, the original principal is 100 by 9. And how much given in the question? Given 2250. 2000 will decrease in 2250. How much is the principal? 100 by 9. 2250. 8. This one, when decrease, when second year decrease in second year, 2250, the original principal is 100 by 9 into 2250. This will come 25,000 rupees. So original principal, what we have supposed to be 100, it is 25,000. This is question number 10 from your exercise, page number 32. Right. So I will give you some this exercise. You have to complete the homework of 2B.